Welcome to T Concept Digital Agency. So quickly today, let's look at how to do some 3D text. 3D text in Photoshop in CorelDraw. 3D text. Sorry, 3D text. Let's do a 3D text effect on any font. So we can use it for a flyer design or whatever. So quickly, let us jump into that now. So let's do this. Subscribe. Let's delete this. Let's bring it by the side. Let's do it somewhere here. So subscribe. Let's do that now. So we can do both the 3D text and the subscribe text. So it depends on what you want to do. So we can close that. Let's close it up. Not to close, okay. Now we can choose our text. This is the text I use, the area empty black. So you can get other bold text. It depends on what you want to do. We'll make sure the text is bolder. So we'll go with this text, area empty black. So just click on it. And after that, so let's quickly give it an effect. You can choose the color we want. So okay, so let's give it red color. So click on the red color. Now take note, in this design we'll be working with our objects. Now what does this object do for us here? Okay, come in quickly. Okay, let's just delete this. Let's delete that. So quickly, so we'll be using the object tool in this design. How do you get the object tool? It's simple. You just go to your window, go to your dockers. This is your dockers here. So you click on what the object tool, because we will use it in this for our design. So notice this. So let's click on this and we'll go straight to now the shadow. Now if you look here, you see the shadow tool. But when you click by the side, you see other tools. So we will use the extrude tool. The extrude tool. That's the tool we'll be using for this design. The extrude tool. We're using the extrude tool. The extrude tool. So you can see once you click on it, it'll come out this way. So do not drag. Just drag from any point. You can drag and leave it this way for now, or just drag and just give it a little distance, as the case may be. So you can just drag and leave it this way. Now, once you've done that, now when you look over your properties bar here, now when you click on this part, you see the different position you want it to appear. Now, this with the black here, the tick line here, simply talks about the main object. Why the perspective view of it behind it is the 3D effect. So you have to choose how you want it to look like. So this is how. So we'll take the first one. Now this also here is to increase the depth. The depth, how you want the depth to look like. You want it to come in this way, or I want to take it inside. So it depends on what you want. So I can choose to keep it at 5 and see how it look like, or let's take it at 10. Okay, 5 is still okay. You can adjust and put your own figure there, 7, and you click enter. So probably we'll use 7. Okay, 7 is what we're using. Now when you come to this part, maybe we'll touch this letter. So the color, now this is where you can adjust the color as well, the extrusion color. So you can choose the color you want for the front, the one for the back. The one for the back, you can see when you click, you can set the color at the back. So you can choose the color at the back. And one thing with design is you must understand complementary colors, colors that go together in harmony. So you can choose that at the back. So it depends on what you want to do. So you can choose that at the back, or we could later come and adjust it the way we want. So it depends on what you want to do. So okay, let's just pick that for now. Just pick that for now. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is so now so now with this you can actually um increase you can increase to see how it will look like a 3D. You understand the 3D effect, how you want it to look like. So it depends on you. So you can actually increase or decrease it. I can choose the direction you want it to go. You can see that. So with this you can shift it to what you want. So, so just give it that effect. So I believe this is okay. So we can increase it or we can decrease it. Depends on how you want the 3D to come out. So let's make the 3D very obvious. So you adjust, and once you are okay with this, yeah, now you can go on to add effects on the 3D on the subscribe. You can go on to add effect on it. And how can we do that? When you click on this text, you can see they are together. You understand? They are together. So we can add effect. How do that? You click on the subscribe and you now Control K. When you right click, you can see that here, or you go to your edit. I think so. You go to your edit, or you break apart. Now click on it. The shortcut is Control K. When you Control K on it, Control K, what it does is to break apart. Control K. Let's look at our objects. Okay. So we can do that also for the same test. Okay, let's do something quickly. Let's do something quickly. So this is a particular pattern you can use for 3D. So this can be used for designs. So quickly, so this is one part. So we can choose to do another format for this. Okay, let us work with the 3D text. Okay, the same thing. Let's make it a bold font. A bold font. Okay, this is the font. Now, okay, we can choose. Let's choose same color, but this time around, click on the red to get a darker red. Let's say wine color this way. We can give it better still the same red color. So after giving it a red color, go to your extrude, the same thing. You can drag how you want it to look like. You can as well reduce or you can increase it. It depends on what you want. So if you have to leave it this way, it's still okay. Now click out. Now you can add a kind of a design to let's when you click on the object. Now this is our text. This is the extrude part. So you can see. So this is it. Now what I want to do is so quickly so what we can do now is this. Now we can use control K. What control K does is to break this text apart. So we can use another form of design. And when you break apart, you can see you can drag this, click out, you can drag this, and you have the 3D behind it. Control Z. So what I want to do now, I want to apply effect on the one behind it. So go to click on objects. Now this is it. Okay, let us hide this. Once you hide this, what you now discover is that you now have just this, and want to apply some effect on this. So what do we do? You can go to your what? The interactive field tool. Click on interactive field tool. You can click on, like I said before, you can click on the interactive field tool, and you can drag along this path. So you can choose. I have so many effects here I've done before, but we can as well create our own effects. You understand? So to Z, how is that done? So once you click on this, let's bring this down a little. So you can see all the different parts it's bringing out, all the different parts. But what I want to do now, you can pick colors, you can pick related colors, you can pick on this, just pick and drag to where you want it to be, leave it there. You can click on the red, click it down, pick on any color you want here again, take it here, you understand? And so on and so forth. So you can go on and on, just pick the part you want. It depends on how you want the design to come out. So that is it. You pick, click on any color, hold it down, you get varieties of that color. So you can pick. So so hold this down, you can pick from this part. So let's click again, and you see the effect it will bring out. So let's get a dark color. To Z, sorry about that. So that is just it. So you can just play around and get some certain fees. So once you are done, let's open this up again so you can see the effect it is bringing now. You see, so that is how to get a kind of a blended color for your 3D text. So please, you can go on and do so many things with it, and you can blend even colors to the design. You can blend colors, the same thing here. You can just blend colors. So you can blend colors, drop it. So depends on what you want. So you can actually blend colors. So this is how to design what a 3D text, for your design. So this is how to do it. So please subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so that you can get more of this. Thank you and have a nice day.